So hey, thanks for tuning in and for joining my channel. For those of you who are tuning back in, thanks for coming back. For those of you who are new, make sure you ride with me and click that notification bell so you don't miss the next one. So I decided to share with you guys these beaded Apple and Samsung watch bands that I made. It's really not a DIY. I'm gonna come back with another video and share exactly how I did them. This is pretty much me just showcasing and showing you the designs that I made. The red one, I decided to keep that one myself. It's like my favorite color. So I started it, and then once I finished, I was like, oh my gosh, I gotta keep this one. I'm keeping this for myself. So I didn't really record myself making these sets because I was so focused on trying to make sure I do it the right way, and they were sturdy, and they also, you know, basically just pop when I did it. So for the next couple of minutes is just different clips of the different designs that I made. Like I said, this first one I kept myself, so it's kind of like a process, different photos and video clips of it when I first started, clips without the charms on it, things of that nature. If you take a look, I kind of went over like a lot of them, trying to make sure that the part that I tie my knots in, that you couldn't really see them. I wanted it to look like seamless, like you couldn't really see that it was a beaded or see like the string part to it. Okay, for this one, I'm basically discussing with my customer about the colors. But on this one, this is the Samsung watch that I did. If you can see, the connectors on here are completely different from the Apple watch that I did on the first couple ones. The Samsung was pretty much the same process. It's just a little bit different with it. And then towards the end part of this video, you'll see where I kind of did a twist to it. I was like, I wonder if I could take the clasp and make it that way, since the Samsungs don't really slide in like the Apple watches do. You basically have to, it's like a little pin that slips in those, so if somebody loses that, it doesn't really lock the watch into place. So I thought another secure way to do it would be to put the clasp on. So I tried it on one end, so the watch is kind of got like a twist. It's like it's completely designed different, but on the end you'll see it has a clasp on the end of this watch, so they can just hook it on to the connector piece. I thought that was pretty cool, and I also think that that's kind of a more secure way to start making them. So I'm gonna try to make some with the Apple watch with the clasp on both ends. When you see the finished product, oh my gosh, like I fell in love with it. I want to remake this one for myself for my Apple Watch. This one was like my ultimate favorite. So now just the next couple clips coming up is just me taking the different ones that I've made for the Apple, just a couple of them, and putting them inside my Apple Watch just to show you what it would look like. I didn't put them around my arms because I know people like you do it, but I don't like doing that. I don't like, you know, putting it on my skin around my arms and then selling it to somebody. They're all, when I make them, you know, I make sure my hands clean, everything sanitized. I do a display, and then they're right back in the box until they're sold packaged. But this is it. Like, they're so easy to make and they're so pretty. And I found a way to, before when I was making some of my beaded bracelets, like my charms would fall off, so I found a more secure way to do that as well. But yes, if y'all like this video, if you thought it was cool, if you want to see more, you want me to show more videos of doing these bracelets or how I do them, make sure you leave me a comment, drop a comment in the comment section, and don't forget to give me a like on this video as well. If you like this video and enjoy watching it, make sure you hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss my next one.